In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Morningstar Investment Research Center in an easy and efficient way. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned market participant, this tutorial will guide you through navigating this valuable online resource. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and type in the URL for Morningstar at www.morningstar.com. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by a wealth of financial information. Now look to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the hamburger menu. Clicking on this will open up a sidebar filled with various options that will help you navigate through the site. Now that you've opened the sidebar, you can see the different content areas available within Morningstar. The sidebar typically presents a clear breakdown of the different sections and categories of information you can access. Here, you can see options related to market analysis, investment ideas, and portfolio management resources. As you explore the content of the market section, you'll find valuable market insights and data. This section is designed to provide you with a high-level overview of market trends and statistics. It's a great tool for both understanding current market conditions and doing more granular analysis of specific markets. Moving on, let's delve into the content of the sections that Morningstar offers. Each section is tailored to deliver comprehensive data and insights about particular areas of investment. Whether you're interested in mutual funds, individual stocks, or global indices, there's something for everyone. The sections can typically be accessed easily from the sidebar, allowing you to dive deeper into specific topics as needed. Continuing on, scan through to see the options available under the content of markets once again. This part of Morningstar offers a detailed look at different market segments, providing historical data, performance metrics, and expert analysis. These insights can be particularly useful when you're trying to make informed investment decisions or track the progress of your portfolios. Now, in the fun part where you can explore in greater detail, you'll notice the presence of listings for funds, ETFs, stocks, and bonds. Each of these categories offers detailed information that investors can use to assess their risk and return expectations. For example, under funds, you might find data on mutual fund performances and comparisons, while ETFs will offer insights into exchange-traded funds. To summarize, by using the Morningstar Investment Research Center, you gain access to a comprehensive suite of financial tools and data right at your fingertips. This platform is particularly useful for investors looking to gain in-depth insights and make well-informed decisions. So, the next time you want to research investments, remember these simple steps and make the most out of Morningstar's offerings. Happy investing!